y'all, welcome back. I know your girl been MIA, but your girl is back, and I'm here to show you guys how to place your bills. I know a lot of people are having an issue with placing their bills to make sure they get a perfect circle or anything. Be sure you like, comment, subscribe on this video. Your girl will start posting back regularly. I've been doing real estate. I am now a new realtor, so if you're in the Texas or Houston, Texas area and you're looking to buy, lease, or sell, your girl is here. But yeah, and then also I tied this bow with my hand. It's also in the video, so be sure y'all like and comment and let me know your thoughts and let me know what you want me to post. Stay tuned. First things first, if y'all watch any of my previous videos, y'all know I use a rectangle block. Especially if I'm doing anything less than 100 bills, I use this one block by itself. If you're doing anything over 100, use 2 blocks together. Here's the sizes, because I know you guys are going to ask what size blocks do I use, and here it go. And on here, I'm basically going to show you where I place the roses, and I do 7 roses in the middle. If I'm going to do like a 200 rose bouquet, I may add 10 roses. It just depends on what type of roses these are. I did get these from Hobby Lobby in particular, but mainly most of my roses come from Amazon. I will link my Amazon link, so everything that is in this video is listed. I know a lot of people ask the size of the skewers. I just use the normal size skewers. I'm gonna put into the description about what size skewers I use, because right now I'm not too sure what size they are, but I'm showing you just place your roses directly in the middle so your bouquet will come out evenly. And then I'm going to be very specific on where I place my bills in this video. And a lot of you guys been messaging me on Instagram showing me your bouquets. I think the main thing is where you guys are placing it, and you guys are creasing your bills at the same time. So that's why you don't get that perfect circle. So I made this video just for you guys, so it can be very, very detailed on how to place your bills. And before I really like stick it in the foam, I kind of like get an eye for where it's gonna look like. I do like mine to be directly next to each other. That's how you're gonna get that more uniform look. And make sure your bills are fluffy. If you're using old bills, you will always have those little creases. So that's why some of y'all's bouquets be looking kind of funny. But I'm so proud of y'all, and shout out to everybody sending me their bouquets and everybody starting their money bouquet business. I see y'all. I try to comment back to everybody who DM me with their bouquets and everything. Some people still struggling, but it's okay. That's why I make these videos, and I'm gonna need y'all to watch it 3-4 times before you make that sale, because you just don't want to give anybody anything, especially if they paying their money. But yeah, make sure you keep your bills fluffy. Do not crease them, and once you fold them, you can always kind of like stretch them out a little bit so you won't have that crease where the rose part of the dollar bill is. And hopefully this video is a little bit detailed. I can start rambling because I can talk about this all day, but I really want y'all to pay attention to the placement on the foam. Some people do it differently. I can only do it my way, and with these, I am a perfectionist. I do not like bills going the wrong way or anything like that. I don't want one looking lopsided or anything like that. When you have 7 roses in the middle, you typically use maybe 10 bills around, so you're gonna each row you're gonna add $5. So that's how you kind of like know how much money you're gonna use as well. Can y'all see it? She coming out good already. And I did put my own glitter on these flowers, girl. I just placed some Elmer's glue on there and then dusted the flowers in the glitter as well. Make sure you do it outside, because if you do it in the house, it's gonna be crazy. So for the second row, I always place one directly in the middle of another one. Some people start in the middle, but I start directly right behind a flower, and then it'll kind of like get in rotation to where you'll eventually be in between. So you see how I start one right in the middle of that rose, and then the one next to it, it kind of like goes in the middle, if that makes sense. Y'all let me know if it makes sense. I hope it do, but I didn't like it because I'm a perfectionist. But make sure that it's right in the middle like this, and then before you stick it in the hole, you can see where you're gonna place it. Right there. So now I'm just going to show you guys how I do the second row. So if I get quiet, it's just me trying to concentrate on doing this voiceover for y'all, because these long form voiceovers is not for the weak, okay? But pay attention to how uniform the bills is, like directly. It's not too much space in between. You don't want too many gaps, and of course you're going to have gap in the middle, but make sure everything is uniform. And you can also do a layered look as well, but I typically, honestly, I do layers on accident, y'all. It depends on how I'm feeling that day.
on the layered look, because it can go like a little lollipop look as well, but I'm going for the straight across look today. And I'm gonna speed this up so y'all can see where the build, and you can see at the bottom of the base how I'm placing it. You don't want to put the sticks too close to each other. You're gonna bust the foam, and that's one thing you do not want to do. It only happened to me once, and that was on a rush order, and I think I was rushing, and I was sticking the sticks in the same hole, and the foam busted, and it was tragedy. I had to give a refund, so we don't want to do that. We don't want to get refunds. That's one thing we're not going to do. We're going to get it right the first time, okay? So don't put the sticks too close. You're going to bust the foam. That foam is not concrete. It is a dry foam, and it will destroy, deteriorate ASAP. And this is what we're looking like with the second layer. It's coming together. Don't overthink it, y'all. Just place the bills in there. If you don't like it, just know you can take it out and place the bill where you would like it. As you can see, it's creating a perfect circle. I know a lot of people are be like, mine don't turn out to the perfect circle. It's just about your placement. And that's the purpose of this video. So make sure in between, make sure y'all liking, commenting, and subscribing. And if you're new here, what's up, friend? I'm going to need you to tell your auntie, your daddy, your brother, your sister, whoever, in-laws, ex-in-laws, everybody, to go ahead and come to this video. Send it to them. Make sure they like, comment, and subscribe. And if anybody have any questions, you're more than welcome to comment below on this video. If y'all want me to make other videos with different things, just let me know. I do want to start doing like initials and stuff in the middle, so I think I'm gonna do a test video for y'all, and y'all can let me know how y'all like it. But I want to start on doing some different things, not just money bouquets. And I'm trying to implement that into my real estate journey. And for those who know, I am a new realtor. So if you're in Texas and you're looking to buy, lease, or sell, hit your girl up, okay? And I'm trying to find a way to implement my bouquets and my flower bouquets and stuff into my real estate journey and everything. Y'all let me know if y'all have any ideas for me. But this is the third layer, the same thing as the second. Don't overthink it. It's just your placement on your foam. If you feel like you run out of foam, you shouldn't run out of foam, because you can go lower on the foam as well, and you'll be able to see it here in a second. I'm gonna speed this part up, friend. Give me one break, I need faith, faith to believe you, faith to receive you. Okay, now we are done. When you're doing a 100 bill bouquet, you're going to have 5 layers. And for those people who say, I didn't get to do a full circle at the end, that is perfectly fine. Long as they're close together, it'll still wrap perfectly. So don't overthink if you only have 4 or 5 bills left over or whatever. It is perfectly okay. The wrapping is going to take care of that part. So don't overthink it. Every circle is not going to, every row, you might not have the full amount of bills to cover that, but that's where the wrapping comes. And I do have a video on wrapping already, so I'm going to speed this part up a little bit, but some of y'all going to ask anyway, so I'm going to leave some of that in here for you, friend.
Okay, y'all, this is the finished product. The recording is really, really bad. I'm so sorry. And the lighting and everything like that. But this is her. She is finished. You see the butterfly. I put the bow on there. I did the bottom. All I did was wrap. I folded floor paper in half, and I just wrapped it around. she go. The paper gave me the blues today, but it's okay. I love y'all. I am back with more videos. So be sure you like, comment, subscribe, and welcome to the family if you are new here. Peace.